Today here we're at JCU to look at Area 61, the engineering school, and also the Cyclone Testing Centre. It's just great to bring industry, some of our members, and the work that the university is doing here together, and very healthy discussion as we're looking at the way industries can connect with the university, particularly through manufacturing, but also how testing is done to look at one of our bugbears at the Chamber, insurance premiums.
Really excited to have the Chamber and a lot of its members out here today at JCU, sort of having a look at the Cyclone Testing Station Area 61, which is our rapid design prototype. As I said, it's really on the back of keen to make sure JCU is accessible and visible to industry in the community. As I said, we see, if you really want a vibrant regional place where we're creating new industries, new jobs, that relationship between industry, business and the university is a real key thing to encourage, build, and as I said, we've got to do it through, openness and communication and awareness. So we see this as a really good way to start that process. And the passion for it is, if you look around the world of any of the regional areas that have been really successful in moving forward in their economies and opportunities for the young people and the people that live there, having those things work together. All of them have a university in this precinct, and all of them have industry and business that are all working together with the university to do it. So we see it as a really important thing to work on and encourage.
Yeah, I just really enjoyed seeing new things that you just never think of. You get in your normal sort of work routine and your social routine, and then when you see avenues, especially from engineering, I'm an engineer, when you see things that are completely different to what you're normally exposed to, I just find it really interesting. So I guess the take home from that, especially from the Cyclone point of view, was just what we'd survived through with Yasi, and what these guys can do to actually do a lot of the testing and the work that goes in behind the scenes.
So working in insurance, it was really interesting to get over there and see the cyclone testing systems, what goes into it, what the building products, what's done to those as well. Seeing the example of the water hitting the windows, which happens in strata a lot, was really interesting. So I really enjoyed today, and it was good to get out there.
The opportunity to have an idea and say, okay, I want this, it doesn't exist. How do we build this? How do we put this together? And have the resources here. I'll have these people who are specialized in doing that rapid development and saying, okay, we need to put these little pieces together. Or, hey, let's say, oh, we've already developed something like that for another grad program, and say, maybe we can put this and this together, and suddenly we've got something that's brand new. Something that could be cutting edge for industry, for businesses, or even for government.
Really good to get our message, the valuable work that we do at the Cyclone Testing Station, out to the Townsville community. Townsville community for the last 4.5 decades have been great supporters of the Cyclone Testing Station, which has had a great influence on building standards for life safety throughout Australia and the world, including the Southeast Asian area and Pacific area. We collaborate with North America. But to be able to show them the tools of our trade, how we do our research and how we actually fund ourselves through commercial testing,